Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to resend the kitchen order and void item. Thank you.
Let's say for example, this item will be resent to the kitchen. However, you want to resend these two items, you can click it and click send again. Then you will request a password. Then it will resend these two items again. Okay, next, if you want to cancel the item after send the order to the kitchen, click it and click void. Then you need to key in your passcode and key in your reason. Then you click void. Then it will show void item successfully. If your printer setting got turned on print void, then it will print out a kitchen order shows that that two item has been void. Okay, let's say if you click void and then there's a return stock, means that after you cancel the item, it will return the stock. Then your stock will add it back to your inventory again. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Genius Post, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找 post system, 找 Aseng.